Welcome back to another lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to continue with division, and this time we'll divide fractions by other fractions. Let's look at an actual model with dividing fractions. And I'm going to try drawing it out so you can see why we're using keep, change, flip as an algorithm and why it mathematically works. Corey wants to pour 3/4 quarts of juice into 6 equal glasses. That means he needs to divide 3/4 into 6 parts. And let's represent this using an area model. So let's pretend all this is the juice. You can see I already have 4, and all this makes up the juice. So on the top part, you have 3/4 shaded. And we're going to pretend we're evenly sharing. So I know this is juice, but pretend it's a cake. And I'm going to slice it into 3 equal pieces. So we're going to do some slicing here. So here's one slice. All right. And I'm slicing in half first, and then I'm going to slice this part into thirds. There we go. So I have that one and that one. So you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slices that I have here, and the 3/4 on the other end. So looking at this, and I'm going to just put in, this is what we have. We have 3/4 being divided by, I'm going to put 6/1. So looking at this, what do you see? What do you notice? How much juice is in each cup? Think about this and think about the sizing part. My cup size is these little parts here. How much what would I categorize this as? This is one piece out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16, 20, out of 24 pieces. This is 1/24 quarts of juice. So each of these little spots is 1/24, 1/24. And on and on and on. If I take 3/4, like I did, and I divided it into 6 even pieces, like I did, how am I supposed to get over 24? What could possibly happen there? Well, using an area model, like if I was looking between the area of a rectangle, you would kind of see this as multiplication happening, where I'm slicing it into more and more pieces. This is why we keep the first number. We're changing it to multiplication, and we're flipping the second fraction around. When we do that, we get the 24 pieces. By multiplying, it's telling us what size piece to get, because I need to take these 4ths and cut them into 6 pieces. And then the numerator is telling me how many pieces I actually have. So mathematically, you can use keep, change, flip to divide fractions. It does work even with our area model, as you can see here. So I'm going to hit pause for a second. This is a lot to draw, so we're just going to keep the picture up on formative and go into the next part of our course.